Register number is UR15CS324. Today we are going to see about a program called the topic coming from a friend function. Let's see the question first. Write a C++ program to create a class called matrix using a two-dimensional array of integers. Check the compatibility of two metrics to be added, subtraction and multiplication. Nothing but we have to do a multiplication, addition and subtraction performance in the matrix using the friend function, and the matrix should be in two dimension. That is the main reason here. First of all, we are giving hash on the IO string and using namespace std. First of all, I'm starting first. I am initializing a class matrix 2 and class matrix 1. Inside the class matrix 1, I am giving the array, initializing array a of 5 and 5 Indian and Indian, and under the public I am giving the 6 functions. One void get matrix to get the values of the matrix, and void put matrix to display the matrix values, and 3 friend functions. This is nothing but for addition and subtraction and for multiplication. And coming under the matrix 1, coming under get matrix 1, that means to get a matrix data, I am asking the user to enter the matrix values, how many rows it should be there, how many columns it should be there, and taking it as m and n. And next for I am asking enter the elements, how many elements they want to enter. So if you take it is one by one, I am putting a loop here, for loop to for loop, and taking the values in a of I and j. Again I am taking void matrix 1, and to display the matrix 1, the values which I get from the user, I should display it. So I am using this function to display. This is a statement for that things. And again coming under class the same as matrix 1, I have initialized the functions, 4 functions for sum, subtraction, multiplication, one for displaying and for getting the data. Next of all, I am getting the get data, means I am getting the information from the user, input from the user, and taking it as b of I and b of j. And void matrix is scope resolution, put matrix 2. This means to display the data, to display the data to the user, so that I am using this for loop, because one by one I should display it correctly. So that I am using these statements, and end line is used to because it will print one by next line like that. And void matrix sum, this is the function which performs the sum addition per addition problem. I am initializing int I and j. If j dot m is equal to h dot m and j dot n is equal to h dot n, that means if it is equal, if the both sides are equal, the sum of matrix will be this. Loop is used to get the information one by one, so that it can perform it well. And getting this statement is performing the addition g dot a of I of a of j plus h dot b of I and b j of j. And if it is not, if the dimensions are not true, not equal, the addition cannot be possible, and it will be shown to the user. And as for subtraction, same as subtraction, and only thing is changed here, this addition sign will be changed to this negative sign, that's all. And same as if it is not a dimension are not equal, it will say subtraction is not possible. And so coming to multiplication, also same, only the this multiplication symbol will be changed, and same as it will be said not possible if it is dimensions are not same. And coming to the int main function, matrix 1 and matrix 2 is declared, and int choice is declared because we are using a switch and do while loop. Int again, and do press 1 for addition, press 2 for subtraction, press 3 for multiplication, and see enter the choice, asking the user to enter the choice and getting into the switch. And case for addition, if the case for addition is these 6 functions will be performed, otherwise it come to the next, otherwise if it is work, it will break there, otherwise it will show it's a wrong operation. And ask next after the next step will be the user will be asked that want to continue or not. If you press 0, it will be continue, or stop. Let's set the program. Press 1 for addition. Now I am checking addition. Rows, I am giving only one column and one row and one column. enter the element I am giving as 5. Second, one column, again I am giving as 5. Look, the sum of matrix is 2. Want to continue? Yes, press 2 for subtraction. I am giving 2 rows and 2 columns. This check how it was. Elements 2 and 4 and 5 and 6. Again 2 columns and 2 rows. Again I am giving us 2, 4, 5, 6. Look, the subtraction, it shows all is 0 because I have given the identical elements, so it will be cancelled. And let's say now the multiplication 3. I am giving us only one row and one column. Elements I am giving as 8, one row and one column. 8 8 64. That's it.